Okay. He doesn't want to participate. Okay. He doesn't want to participate.
Uh-oh, we lost the defendant.
Oh, hold on. Can you put the camera closer to him?
Judge, are you?
Hi. Okay. He's put on his Green Hornet outfit. Okay, we can. All right. We're gonna put Mr. Maven over to another day.
He just tried to spit at us.
You can go.
Make the arraignment today.
Hold on. I'm gonna. Mr. Maven, can you hear me?
Judge talking to you.
All right, we can put him over. All right, we'll put him over to when. Hello? Okay, when can...
And just May. Now I dropped them off in June. Hear me now?
You need to unmute yourself.
That's fine. Have to take her. Wow, I'm still paying child support. I have a lot of questions. Like, how was that?
Ma'am, that's a lot better than it was. Okay, Mr. Munn, if you could take
I'm
the cat.
sorry.
Judge, we can do number 29 next.
Turns, could this get cleared out?
It sure could. On and unmute yourself. All right. What else you got, Miss Phillips?
1 second, Judge.
Okay.
Your Honor, we can do number...
Well, I think Miss Barnes is...
Yes, we can do 29 since...
Okay, Miss Barnes, are you going to... I can't see. I see Mr.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm here.
Miss Barnes, if you could turn the light is behind you, so I can't see your face. I need you to...
I'm sorry. Hold on just 1 second.
Okay.
Okay, can you see me now?
Partially, yes, ma'am. That's a lot better than it was. Okay, Mr. Munn, if you could take the cap off. All right. Let me get both of you to raise your right hands for me, please. Swear to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Yes.
All right, you may proceed, Ms. Phillip.
Yes, Your Honor. We're here on a motion to confirm arrears. The parties agree to the medical support judgment in the amount of $903.93 as of February.
$903.93. 93 cents. Okay.
As of February 13th, 2024. And to be paid at $30 a month beginning March 1st, 2024. The parties do not agree to the child support judgment and the payout. And then they don't agree to the non-disclosure.
How much is the arrears, the child support arrears?
The child support arrears are $4,400 $433.54 before possession credit, and the parties are in disagreement on how much possession credit should be awarded.
All right.
So I'll go ahead and call the parties. I call the mother, Jasmine Barnes. Miss Barnes, could you state your full name?
Jasmine Pennies Barnes.
And ma'am, did you hear the announcement regarding the medical support judgment and payout?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you in agreement to that amount?
Yes.
Okay. And ma'am, is it correct that before any possession credits, the father owes $4,433.54?
Yes.
And ma'am, is it correct that you're asking for a 2-month possession credit for May 2023 and June 2023?
Just May. Now I dropped them off in June. So any other time before that, no.
When in June did you drop them off?
It was mid-June.
Okay. So ma'am, the child support judgment after possession credit would be $2,967.39 as of February 13th, 2024. Are you in agreement to a judgment in that amount?
Yes.
Okay. And then would you ask that he pay that off at $65 a month beginning March 1st, 2024?
Yes.
And are you asking that the father be responsible for court costs for today?
Yes.
And are you asking for a non-disclosure for your information?
Yes, ma'am.
And ma'am, has the father been aggressive towards you?
He has in the past, not as of lately, but he has, which is why that's in place in the first place.
Okay. Has he ever threatened or harassed you?
Yes.
Okay. And is that why you're asking for the non-disclosure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Pass the witness.
All right.
I called the father, Jonathan Munn. Mr. Munn, could you state your full name?
Jonathan Mon.
And sir, did you hear the announcement regarding the medical support judgment and payout amounts?
Yeah, I heard it.
Are you in agreement to that amount?
Yes.
Okay. And sir, is it correct that you owe $4,433.54 before any possession credits?
I mean, yeah, I guess that's what the lady told me. They never stopped taking money out of my check though. Like I still pay child support currently. They
Okay.
never stopped taking it out of my check.
And sir, is it correct that you want possession credit for 3 months?
Yes.
May, June, and July of 2023?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And sir, is it correct that you're asking for a judgment after possession credit of $2,193.90? Or sorry. Let me calculate that real quick for a second. Okay, sir, I would like to correct that. The child support judgment after possession credit would actually be $2,239.64 as of February 13th, 2024. And sir, do you agree to that amount?
Yes.
Okay. And sir, would you ask that you pay that off at $50 a month beginning March 1st, 2024?
They still have money in the trust fund, right? Or
Let me check, sir.
putting the money
Yes,
at.
there is money that hasn't been applied to your case yet.
Can I get y'all both to hold for a moment? I'll be right back.
Okay.
email address information?
That's fine.
Okay. Pass a witness.
Let me make sure I understand. Mr. Munn, you're asking for 3 months of child support based on the child living with you for 3 months. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And Ms. Barnes, you're only saying that the child lived with him for 1 month. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. Now, the month of July, that would normally be the month that you would have visitation with the child. And so I cannot give you credit for that month, Mr. Munn. But I will give you credit
I
for.
had the children for I had the children.
I understand that I understand that you had them, but you were entitled to have them by way of visitation. And if you had exercised your visitation, you would still have had to pay your child support, even though the child was in your possession. So I'm not going to give you credit for that month. You understand?
No, I don't understand that.
Well, how else would you like for me to explain it to you?
Because you said if I exercised my right, I didn't exercise. She just dropped them off.
Okay, so
It was not something that I had asked for.
You did not voluntarily
Not
visit
at all.
them,
No,
but they
no.
visited you, and so therefore you're not entitled to that month.
There was no volunteer on anyone's part.
You're not entitled to that month. I'm sorry, I'm not going to give you that month. Now I'll give you the other 2. Now, Ms. Phillips, giving him 2 months of credit, how much would it be? His arrears.
The child support judgment would be $2,967.39.
All right, and then he's going to pay that back at what rate?
Judge, we're asking for $65 a month beginning March 1st, 2024.
All right, then he's going to pay it back at $65 a month. I'll accept the other portions of the order that were agreed to. Either one of you have any questions for me?
Yeah, I have a whole bunch of questions.
All right, I'm listening. What's your question, Mr. Munn?
So it's okay for her to just drop these kids off at my house, at my mother's house anytime, and leave them there for months at a time, and we have no input on that? She don't do nothing for these kids while they're in my house, and I'm still paying child support.
All right,
I gotta take care of the kids 24/7 and pay child support, and they stuck with my mother, where my mother got to take care of them because I have to work. She's basically unloaded her obligations on us for 3 whole months, and we stuck to have to take her while I'm still paying child support. I have a lot of questions like how is that? How is my kids benefiting from that? How am I benefiting from that? Like, that's taken away from my children. I got to pay $800 a month in child support and try to take care of the children that I have in my possession.
Mr. Munn, those are very good questions. Let me answer one of them quickly. They're not her kids; they're your kids also. And you
why am I the only one paying child support?
Would you let me finish talking, Mr. Munn? I'll let you talk. Let me talk. And you can turn around. You can get your hands up. I don't care. The issue is this: they are your children just as much as they are her children. And you have an obligation to take care of them just like she does. That's the reason why you're paying child support. Now, if you think that you don't want to pay child support, then you need to file a motion to modify your court case, and you take full possession of the children, and then she can pay you child support.
Okay, can I ask another question?
Yes, sir.
I don't even know how she got possession of the children anyway, because I had possession of the children all through COVID for a whole year span. Me and my
you
mother
kept them from me.
That's a lie, Jazz. You never tried to come get
from me.
Listen, I'm not going to sit here. I'm not going to sit here and would you mute Mr. Munn, please? Now, I'm not going to sit here and listen to y'all argue and fuss at me, okay? Because I that's not my purpose here. I'm finding that you're going to be paying your arrearages at $65 a month. You're going to pay your medical arrears at $30 a month, and you're going to pay court costs. Ms. Phillips, I need an order to that effect. Both of you have the right to appeal this if you believe it's unfair, arbitrary, capricious, or you just don't like it. This is out of the 255th court. You have 3 working days in which to appeal this decision. I appreciate y'all's time. You can press leave and you're free to go. Thank you.